What's up guys, I'm Misako Rocks. Today, let's draw Ash and Pikachu. Alright, so this is going to be the guideline. He's kind of looking at you with a positive smile, okay? And then we're going to start drawing from his eyelid. This Pikachu trainers, even girl or boy eyelid, tend to have a pretty wide, nice expressive eyelid. Something like this, okay? Then his eye is much skinnier, right? But since it's gonna be slightly more my kawaii style, I want to introduce a little rounder like this. Still long, okay? And then let's just draw shiny bubble and black bubble in the middle, all right? Then we're gonna do same thing other side. Here we go. Expressive round. Okay, good. Strong eyelid, right? And we're gonna draw his eye here. Okay, this is good. And his shiny bubble, black bubble. Oh, I think this side a little longer should be. Okay, I think this is good. This is good. Okay, and his nose right in the middle, not in the middle, but close to right side. Something like this. And then let's draw his big positive smile. Okay. Here. Go like that. Okay. Right. Okay. Something like this. All right. And his eyebrows. I don't want to draw like angry eyebrows, but again, we're going to show his positivity energy from his eyebrows. Something like this. Okay? Good. And then we are switching to thick eye. What am I saying? We're going to start drawing his face line. Okay. Then, can you draw... Okay, so his face line, little straight line like this, and we're gonna draw cheek, sticks up a little bit down there. I'm gonna tilt it, and his face line this side. Okay, good. So I want his eyes, every facial feature just takes over face, something like this. Okay, then we're gonna draw his important part, even not just the hair, actually his oversized this baseball cap. You ready? We're gonna start from his rim, okay? So go like this. Oh, I can't make that much mistake. Go like that. Okay, I think this is good. Here. So that's the rim, that part, okay? And underneath, we're gonna draw his bangs too. So go here. So it's heavy in the middle, okay? Go more like this and go like that. Here. I think this is nice. Go like there. Look inside, slightly up. And we're gonna draw Pikachu right here. So I don't want his hair to sticks up too much, but he has a spiky hair, so we have to sort of like make it short and spike here, right there, okay? Then, let's draw from this side here. And ear. I think this is nice. And we're gonna draw his hat. So now I'm looking at my Ash face line and everything. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I mean, his baseball cap, it's gonna be this size. Pretty big. It's a little light, but I think you can just tell. Okay, so we're gonna start drawing, okay? Let's do... Okay, hold on. Yeah. Go like that. Okay, nice. Okay. Go, I think this is good, right? And I want to start adding maybe spiky hair quick. Go like this. Here. If we need to add it more, we will, okay? But so far, this is good. A lot layers of spiky here. Little long on the top and it goes a little shorter, okay? Short. Spike here. Okay, good. And then let's draw his... Okay. I think this is nice. Yeah, this is good. And then little flat. Kind of like that. Ooh, I could have gone a little wider, to be honest. But so far, so good. And they go... And I want to show you this design. I know that slightly, changed every generation, but I'm introducing this more original Ash, that hat design. Okay? Nice. I'm gonna slightly go up, and let's draw his neck. Okay, and his color sticks up, right? Go here, kind of a triangle shape like this. This side here, and he's wearing a t-shirt or a tank top underneath, and his vest, jacket. So he has a little button sticks up, right? We're not gonna draw all the way, so don't worry. It's just up to just shoulder line, and then I think this is good. Not too wide, not too small. So he's more like a twin character. That means we don't need to draw like a more teenage body so much. More like, but not like a baby. Okay, so still wide, his width, shoulder width should be wider than his face width. Okay, go here. And I think this is good. Hi. And the little fabric wrinkle line. And his arm. Okay. So we're gonna draw Pikachu right there. So I want his Pikachu sort of sticks behind his shoulder, but being excited. So his face should be around here and the body right there. Okay, kind of like this. All right. I've been drawing Pikachu many times because my students, they do love it. So I can't mess up here. Okay, so his top head shape like this. Also, plus I do have a Pikachu plush toy, oversized in the back. So I got the reference right there. And then let's draw his ear. Black line there. Other side, okay, behind his spiky hair. So don't worry about that. And then his his cheek sticks up. Okay, this side more kind of a straight line like this. I think this is good. Okay, and then his shoulder, arm, his arm right there. More shoulder. Okay, good, really good. And then let's draw his tail, just like a thunderbolt. Okay, go like it. That's the part I always mess up. I don't know why I can't draw his tail really good. But today I think I did it. Zigzag, right? Okay, now in the middle, we're gonna start drawing his cheek first. Okay, go right there. Okay. And a nose in the middle, really tiny. Okay. And his smile. Good. I think it's getting pretty good. Okay. I think this is one of the best Pikachu I drew. Guys, I think I should be proud of myself. Not yet, because we gotta draw his eye. Not too oversized, not bigger than this cheek. Much smaller than cheek, okay? Round, shiny bubble. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Ash hair is kind of touching, but... What? This is so cute. I did it. Great job. You and me. Now we're gonna start coloring. So let's erase all the pencil line quick. Okay, let's go. If you're enjoying this video, you love my new book, How to Draw Kawaii Manga Chibi. There are tons of chibi step-by-step tutorials and tips for making your manga stories. Scan the QR code to get your copy. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so these are colors we're going to use. Red, yellow, blue, and skin tone. And maybe black. Okay, that's about it. So first we're going to start adding Ash skin tone and the Pikachu yellow. Okay, ready? Let's start adding Ash skin tone first and the Pikachu yellow. Okay, let's go.
Wait a minute, now carry on.
Now we're gonna start adding Pikachu black ear, here, eye, okay, and his hair. But his hair, don't press too hard to make it too dark, because I want to show you a little bit of shading technique too. But first, what I'm going to do, first layer of his hair color, which is almost like a gray black, and his ear and eye. Okay, let's go. Then we are going to start adding a little like a darker, more black tone right underneath this, his hat, or even here too. Because it's in a shadow, kind of like this. And let's add a little bit more like that, and here too. Okay. And the first layer of this spiky hair, you don't need to add it that much of a shadow, but second layer, and right behind, the below this ear, I want you to add extra more gray black hair color, okay? And maybe here a little bit too, kind of like this. And then let's just add his eye color, which is gonna be more gray black. So make it really dark on the top, really light on the bottom. Kind of the same thing here. Okay, and if you can, even like a fast skin tone too, right underneath this rim, can you go a little darker? Again, shadow, okay, because he's wearing a hat. Go like this, and I'm going to tilt it more. Shadow here, all right? Then let's pick red, and we're going to draw his cheek, tongue, tongue to here, and then maybe really make it really light, kind of like that. Okay, nice. Then what I want to do is, can you draw lines like this? This side really dark red and light. This side almost no color. Okay, kind of like this. And here, yes, light, not light, sorry, darker. Kind of like this. And then can you pick a pencil? Let's add a little bit of shadow. Here like this, underneath this logo, this one too. And this logo is almost like a dark blue or turquoise blue, green. So I want to add it like that, and the same color his t-shirt too. Here. Oh, itchy, sorry. And his vest is going to be sky blue. A little bit of like maybe darker than sky blue, please. Here we go. All right, oh, so cool and cute. So what I want to introduce you is how to write down his name in Japanese, Satoshi, and also Pikachu, and then pocket monster in Japanese. So I'm going to use different paper, and I'm going to show you. Okay. Okay. So his name in English, Ash, right? But his Japanese name is Satoshi. So here we go. I'm gonna write down here. 1, 2, 3. This is sa. 1, 2. This is to. 1, shi. This is a classic boy's name, to be honest. Even like a dad or son, both generations, they can have this classic name, okay? And then, of course, Pikachu is Pikachu, so that's gonna be katakana character. はい、1, 2, 3. 1, 2. This is P, Ka. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So this is Chu, Satoshi, and Pikachu. And okay, so Pokemon is actually Pocket Monster, right? So I'm gonna write down Pocket Monster on the top, right there. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Po. 1, 2, 3. And the small ones. はい。This is Ke. Poke. To. This is To. はい。1, 2, 3. This is Mo. 1, 2. This is 1, 2. This is Su. ポケットモンスタ。1, 2, 3 hyphen. Japanese, in Japan, like we tend to make long name to just really short. Like we shorten it a lot. Like even the food, fast food. McDonald, we don't say McDonald, we say Macdo, stuff like that. So maybe that's part of it too. That's why that's the actual name, but we keep it really short. Okay, so we wrote it down: Pocket Monster, Satoshi, and Pikachu, and more than that, yes, we drew such an awesome character together. Great job. Ta-da! We drew Ash and Pikachu. Yes, Satoshi and Pikachu. Great job. So this is the one sample I showed you in the beginning. This is the one we just drew together. I hope you enjoyed. If you have more requests, write it down here. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. ありがとうございます. I'm gonna see you next video. Bye-bye. One more thing. Take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. ありがとう.